What's up, YouTube? Shawn from the Guaranteed Success Plan, and today I want to talk about actually changing and adapting strategies. Guys, prospecting does not have to be set in stone. It does not have to be the hill that you die on. Yes, you have to prospect every single day. There is absolutely no doubt about that, but you don't have to keep doing the same prospecting activity if it's not getting you the results you want. All right, guys, let's dive into it today. Let's just cut the fluff and get straight to it. Okay, at this point in my career, I've literally tried every single type of prospecting. I know they say I'm built like a semi-truck, but I'm telling you, I operate like a sports car. I am very fast and very nimble when it comes to my business, and I'm always constantly looking for change and ways to adapt and grow and be better and more effective with my time, and we all need to be thinking that way. So when I first started in the business, for example, cold calling was part of my daily routine. I was more than one of the 3x3ers, 3 times a week, 3 times a day, making a couple hundred calls. Literally, if I wasn't working with somebody, I was on the dialer hammering out cold calls. Because what I'd seen out there from all the other coaches and information that I could find was cold calling was one of the best ways to grow your business. And it's how you built your email database. Well, yes, it works. Yes, you're going to get results. Yes, it's going to take you 3, 4, 5, 6 years to do it. Cool, we got dialers now, we got RedX and telelistings and easier ways to get phone numbers. But at the end of the day, it's a one-to-one conversation. And on top of that, you're pounding your head on the table because you're dealing with nothing but rejection all day long. So not only do you have to keep yourself up, motivated and high all day long, you're actually doing it in a very slow way. So this is what I'm saying, you have to be able to adapt and change. On the other hand, I know people that cold calling is the only prospecting they do, and they absolutely love it. They love the schedule. They love pushing through. They love getting those 5, 10 emails, the result of the hard work and the fruit of their labor. And that's great and good for them. So what happens is if it's not working for you, or let's say your goal is 20 deals a year or 50 deals a year or 100 deals a year, it doesn't matter. If what you're doing now is not getting you the results that you want, or even worse, if you're getting the same results you got last year or less, or the same for the year before, and you're not growing, how are you not getting better and more efficient at your business? Take a look at your last 3, 4 years. If you've been an agent that's been around for a while, take a look at your last couple of years. Are you growing or shrinking? And if your business is just referral based and you're okay with that, whatever income comes, that's cool. But if you want to grow your business, take a look at your prospecting, make sure that it's something that you enjoy doing, or it's the most enjoyable form of prospecting, and it's getting you the results you want to get. That is so important. Guys, I can't stress this. If you are not getting the results you want, change the things you're doing. And seriously, I know I do this a fair bit, but literally pause the video and sit and think. Write down, are you on pace or not on pace for what you want, for the goals you actually wrote down? Are you ahead or not of last year? Are you growing or shrinking? So I challenge you guys, honestly, pick a prospecting activity, something different than what you're used to, and give it a real try. Give it a solid 30 days. If it's social media that you haven't been doing, get to it. If it's cold calls that you've never made, maybe this is something that's amazing for you. Again, I'm not a fan of it, but you might actually end up liking it. Or one thing for sure you're gonna get out of it, if you haven't done it before, is you are gonna grow by leaps and bounds. You become fearless once you start tackling those big fears. Have you never door knocked before? Get out there and do it. And I'm not talking about the door hangers. I'm talking about actually knocking on doors, having conversations with people. But literally, there are so many different prospecting strategies and techniques out there. Why are you waiting for the business to come to you? Or why are you pounding your head on the desk and not getting anything done? All right, guys, that's it for this week. So again, if you like this video, make sure you ring that bell, subscribe down below. We love having conversations with agents. We love having debates and dialogue. So if you like this or you didn't like it, leave me a comment or question down below. Again, if you want to reach out personally, you guys can send me an email. I would love to connect. We're looking to grow our GSP, our Guaranteed Success Plan, to a massive amount of agents. So if that sounds like something that you want to be a part of, if you want to start pivoting in your business and growing by leaps and bounds every day and be with a group that's going to help nurture that, again, we're always looking to grow. So send me an email, send me a message. Other than that, guys, till next time.